This 100% cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges. This nailer has extensive runtime, firing over 400 nails on a single charge. The easy-to-use depth adjust dial provides consistent results. Easily remove jam nails with the tool-free design, and if you need to work in low light conditions, dual LEDs have you covered. Plus, a contoured overmolded handle and included belt hook provide comfort and convenience. Give every job 100% with quality tools like the V20 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer kit, part of the Craftsman V20 system.
DeWalt gets you right to work with cordless confidence. Introducing 4 new additions to our ever-expanding 20V Max XR cordless nailer lineup. The DeWalt 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer, equipped with a micro nose for line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, versatile yet agile to take on a variety of projects and provides you with the hold you need without holding you back. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer, incorporating a micro nose for accuracy where it counts and ready to finish what you started. The 18-gauge flooring stapler. It's ready to install flooring from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch with ease. Framing, flooring, finish, completely cordless from start to finish. Part of our ever-growing family of nailers.
This is Hitachi's 3.5-inch plastic strip collated framing nailer, the NR90AESI. Whether you are a professional framer or do-it-yourselfer looking to rebuild your deck or remodel your home, this framer makes the perfect companion. It drives plastic collated nails from 2 inches to 3.5 inches in length and 0.113 to 0.148 inches in diameter. It comes with a factory-installed 1/4 inch industrial fitting. This lightweight round head framing nailer is easy to use all day, while still providing the power of a bulkier, heavier nailer. It is designed for construction work, ranging from rough framing, truss buildup, window buildup, subflooring, roof decking, wall sheathing, and house construction. The head plate on this model has been redesigned to allow for faster and easier maintenance. It is outfitted with Hitachi's convenient selective actuation, meaning it can drive both sequentially or continuously with a simple flip of a switch. In sequential mode, you simply depress the push lever, then pull the trigger each time you want to drive the nail. This mode allows you to be more precise. In continuous fire or bump mode, once you pull the trigger, then anytime you depress the push lever, the nail will drive. If you're looking for speed and efficiency, this mode is preferred. It's got toolless depth of drive adjustment that comes in handy for flush, countersunk, or proud nailing, no matter what material you're using. The hardened claw tip resists wear on the nose and minimizes slippage when driving at an angle or toe nailing. It is fabricated with a 2-piece anodized aluminum magazine that makes repairs or replacements easy and with minimal expense. Additionally, the magazine can hold between 64 to 70 nails at a time, and with 2-step nail loading, replenishments are quick and easy. And in the event of a lodged nail, the open nose design provides easy access to clear the jam. This nailer offers an incredible power to weight ratio, weighing in at just 7.5 pounds. The NR90AESI is designed to balance in the user's hand for minimal fatigue during extended use or overhead applications. An ergonomic, long-lasting, non-slip rubber grip on the handle and trigger helps maintain a secure hold. Full of features for convenient operation and performance, Hitachi has made a professional-grade construction tool feel lightweight and effortless to maneuver. This framing nailer comes with safety glasses along with Hitachi's 5-year tool warranty for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.